Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing and setting up the HEIYOUCAM. This camera comes with dual power support, USB or battery, a built-in 5000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery. Camera shows each item one by one. Solar panel, instruction manual, mounting stickers, screws, bracket, then the camera. Camera held in hand, protective sticker being peeled off. Here's a closer look at the camera. It has a solid build and a sleek design. Let's peel off the protective film. Always satisfying. Attaching the mounting bracket to the back of the camera. Next, we're going to attach the mounting bracket to the camera. It's a quick and simple process with no tools required at this stage. Camera zooms in on the QR code and power button. Finger presses the button. On the side, you'll find the QR code and the power button. Let's turn it on and get it ready for pairing. Using your smartphone, scan the QR code on the camera to begin setup. This will take you to the app on the Play Store. Download and install it. Once the app is installed, open it and scan the QR code again to pair the camera. The app will generate a QR code which needs to be scanned using the camera itself. Just hold your phone in front of the camera lens until it registers. Then enter your Wi-Fi password and wait a few moments for the camera to connect. Live feed appears in the app, clear and smooth video shown, and just like that, the camera is live. The video quality is impressive, 1296p resolution with vivid colors and smooth playback. Here's everything you get with the HEIYOUCAM system: easy installation, solar-powered convenience, and smart security features, all in one package. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and feature-packed security solution, the HEIYOUCAM is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Stay safe, and see you in the next one.